Today I'm your host, Jay Powell, and today we're going to trim these crepe myrtles. I don't think these got trimmed last year because today's 1 year to the day that we moved into the house. So we didn't know what these were last year, so we didn't trim them. And so I don't know how much they got done in the past. I know the bottom part's been trimmed, but nobody's ever topped it. That's why they're so tall. We'll try to get that one and reach right here, and I was warned about it in the reviews. Timber. In case you couldn't notice from the wardrobe change, and I actually went to the barber shop myself and got my own pruning done. Yeah, so a little new do, a little break into action. So now we're back to the crepe myrtle, and looks like we got rain coming our way. We're gonna have to get done before it rains on us, and we're gonna start getting some of these higher branches. Timber.
That little one hanging out right there.
Right here.
No, below.
Let me get this one. It's gotta over the house. I guess I'm gonna have to bring the ladder around, get some of those higher ones.
There you go.
Yeah. Something happened to the spring, it wasn't reloading itself. So that limb was completely dead. And these look dead too. Yeah. Oh, that one's coming at me. Timber. Dead. So 2 more. Hopefully we're able to pull it off.
It would be awful to get this close. I'll be able to get the last 2.
This thing may be the first to go too. Let me see what kind of shape it's in. Let's see, this little rivet is popped out, so it's got a little bit warped right there, but hopefully we can make it through this tree and 2 more.
One more left.
One more.
We've got to get in. This sticks out like a sore thumb.
All I've been doing is just getting up there, kind of locking on it. As flush as I can get. And then working the blade in just a little bit, and then kind of pull the slack in the tree down just a little bit so I can get some leverage.
There we go, almost. And there it is.
Pretty good. Taking it to the woods. Yep. So that's it. You know, it was way up there, higher than the house. We got to trim down to right in there. These other two trees, and that's gonna give you a look at what they look like. You can kind of make out. So about the top of the frame, right in that area is where we're gonna cut these out. Here's the other tree, so I'm gonna go up. Kind of goes up in that area. So I'm gonna kind of go about the top of the frame right there and trim the top out of it too. So I'm a little aggravated right now. My pruning tool just bit the dust. I mean, it was like, I knew it was cheaply made, but I mean, come on, it should at least last longer than that. And I kind of got it back in the package. I'm gonna take it back and get an exchange on it so I can get finished. But the spring came off, and there was some kind of little rivet like that one came out, and it just came to pieces on me. So okay, so I'm back. I got a brand new one, and the exchange process went really well. They did a really good job with that, and it's kind of funny. I couldn't find the receipt before I left, and Elizabeth's like, "Well, they'll probably remember you." And I went really early this morning. I said, "No, it's got to be a different, cashier." And as soon as I walked in, it's the same cashier. She's like, "You're back?" I said, "Yeah." I said, "This thing came apart on me." She said, "Well, go back there and get another one, and we'll exchange it." And I did, and I picked up this bow saw too. So we'll do a little bow sawing on some stuff, and so appreciate that, Harbor Freight. Good job. All right, we're back. This thing works good. I think it works better than the first one.
I think it does too. It's slicing right through it.
I think I just got a dud that first time. It's working really good. I feel like my sergeant major, my first sergeant's about to come out here and get on me for not having eye protection. We didn't brag on it too soon. That's what we have now. Back in the game. Yeah, had another breakdown. So this has been some kind of day. Second pole pruner I got broke the same way as the other one. Seems like everything I tried to do just went awry today. And so anyhow, I've kind of got the rest of the trees finished, but I've been doing it with this bow saw that I bought. I'm gonna get those last few limbs done, and then I'm gonna be done. I'm probably not gonna pick this up till tomorrow. And so anyways, Elizabeth went to ate melon mushroom, and I missed dinner trying to get this stuff done. I'm just trying to hide it the best I can, but I'm kind of depressed about how things went today.